Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are diving into the most popular crypto wallet out there, MetaMask wallet. So, is it still the best choice in 2025? Stick around to find out. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for the latest updates and best deals. So, MetaMask is a digital wallet that lets you store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. It is mainly used for Ethereum and other ERC20 tokens, but by 2025, it has expanded to support multiple blockchains. You can use MetaMask on your web browser or through its mobile application. It acts as a bridge between you and the decentralized applications or dApps. Think of it like your key to the Web3 world. So, what's changed? MetaMask has evolved a lot, and here are the top upgrades for 2025. Now MetaMask seamlessly integrates with Bitcoin, Solana, and even newer blockchains like Aptos, so no need for multiple wallets. The wallet's design is also more beginner friendly with simple one-click function. MetaMask now offers biometric login, two-factor authentication, and hardware wallet integration for added protection. The new AI-powered gas fees estimator finds the lowest network fees, saving you money on every transaction. In 2025, you can stake Ethereum and other tokens directly within the app to earn passive income. Now, if you want to get started with MetaMask, if you know nothing about it and you are wondering how you can create your account on MetaMask, you can check out the links in the description. I have created a detailed tutorial on it, whether you want to use MetaMask in desktop or in the mobile application. Now, in a nutshell, if I take a look at the pros and cons of MetaMask, if I talk about the pros, it is user-friendly and easy for the beginners to start using. It gives you multi-chain support, so no need for separate wallets anymore. MetaMask wallet is also secure, and the security feature enhanced with 2025's latest tech. It is popular and trusted, which is one of the most widely used wallets. So if I talk about the cons, it's still heavily Ethereum focused. Although it supports other blockchain, it's primarily an Ethereum wallet, and the gas fees can still get high during network congestion. Now, you must be wondering, is MetaMask worth it in 2025? So the quick answer is absolutely. MetaMask continues to lead the market with constant innovation. Its seamless dApp integration and the added security makes it a top choice for both beginners and experienced crypto users. And that's it for today's review of MetaMask in 2025. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crypto content. Thank you so much for watching.